Whenever cabbage comes home, everyone makes the same sabzi. But today I'm turning it into something no one will refuse. It's simple, budget friendly, and perfect when you don't know what to do with cabbage. Today I'm making cabbage Manchurian. Hi my dear friends, welcome back to my channel Noella Creations. Here I have 250 grams of finely chopped cabbage. I'll transfer this into a large mixing bowl. I'm adding half teaspoon of salt. You may add salt as per your taste. Next I'm adding 3/4 teaspoon of chili powder, half tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. We'll mix this well. Now I'm adding 1 tablespoon of flour, 1 tablespoon of corn flour. We'll mix this well. If you find the mixture too sticky, add some more flour and corn flour and mix well. Take portions of the mixture in your hand and shape into small round balls. Meanwhile, I'll heat oil in a kadai for deep frying. Once the oil is hot, turn the flame to medium and deep fry the Manchurian balls. Once the Manchurian balls are golden brown in color, remove them from the kadai. Next, place a kadai on medium flame. We'll heat some oil in it. Add half tablespoon of chopped garlic. We'll saute until the raw smell of the garlic goes away. Then we'll add 2 chilies. You can use green chilies. Add 1 small diced onion. One diced capsicum, little salt, next we will add 1 teaspoon of soya sauce. I am adding 1 teaspoon of green chili sauce. You may add red chili sauce instead of green. Next goes in 1 tablespoon of tomato sauce. Mix well. Now we will add half teaspoon of black pepper powder. Mix it well. Next I am adding corn flour slurry. To prepare the slurry, add some corn flour in a small bowl, add water to it and mix well. The slurry should be smooth without any lumps. Add some water and stir. Next goes in little vinegar. Mix well. I am adding a little veg stock powder. If you don't want to add veg stock powder, you may skip it. The gravy has thickened beautifully and has started boiling. Now I am adding the fried Manchurian balls. We'll mix this well. Remember, the Manchurian balls have to be added just before serving to keep them soft but not mushy. As you can see, the cabbage Manchurian balls have been coated well with the gravy. Now turn off the flame, add some spring onion greens and mix well. Look at that, the gravy is thick, smooth and perfectly glossy. Not watery, not too thick, just the right consistency to coat every piece. The Manchurian balls have absorbed the flavor but is still holding its shape beautifully. The aroma of garlic, soya sauce and that slight tanginess, it smells exactly like restaurant-style Manchurian. Each ball is coated evenly in this rich savoury gravy, slightly spicy, slightly sweet and perfectly balanced. This is what simple cabbage can turn into, comforting, satisfying and honestly hard to resist. Today we turned simple cabbage into soft Manchurian balls, coated in rich glossy gravy. Budget friendly, homemade and better than ordering outside. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more realistic home-style cooking. See you all soon in my next video. Until then, happy cooking. Sending you calmness and good wishes always. Thanks for watching.